Hey guys, it's your girl Melody here today. Welcome back to my channel where I promote beauty both on the inside and on the outside. So if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I hope you subscribe if you like this video. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by, and I just want to wish you guys a happy new year. So today we are going to learn how to make this very simple beginner friendly makeup look, and we're only going to be using 9 makeup items. Always start out with a clean moisturized face. I have dry skin, so I like to use the Too Faced Hangover RX primer because it's moisturizing. Please prime your face every time you apply makeup. It protects your skin really from damage. So the next step is to apply foundation. I love the Makeup Forever HD foundation because it provides nice coverage and it's still moisturizing. And foundation just gives like a coat. It helps cover some of the blemishes that you might have on your skin. I use about 2 pumps of foundation, and I tend to spread the foundation out on my face. And once I have done that, I take my time really to buff the foundation in and make sure that it has blended appropriately. So the next step is to work on the eyebrows. I love the Anastasia Brow Pomade. And I just realized, guys, that I did not blend my foundation well, and that's because I'm still new to this camera, so I apologize. I do like to start with my lower brow bone and use short light strokes to apply the product. Once I'm done applying the product as I needed, I then go in and fill in the brow. If you make any errors during this process, it's okay because we're going to conceal the errors in the next step. So the next step is to conceal the brow bone. I'm using my NARS Soft Matte Concealer in Hazelnut. Take your time with this. Use a concealer brush and gradually highlight the brow bone. This helps you cover up any mistakes, and it also helps you make your eyebrows a little bit more bolder. The next step is to set the foundation and concealer. I recommend a finely milled powder like the Laura Mercier translucent setting powder. Pick a powder that is very close to your skin tone. I tend to sort of pseudo bake the areas where my concealer was applied so the concealer doesn't shift, and then I use a light hand to apply the powder to the rest of my face. I love this eyeliner by Stila, and I really think that these felt pen eyeliners are one of the easiest type of eyeliners to learn to use. I would suggest that you take your time while you're applying your liner just to make sure that you apply it accurately and the way you want it to look. Learning an eyeliner application process could take a while, so just be patient with yourself, okay? This is one of my favorite mascaras from Too Faced. Mascara has a pretty easy learning curve, I would say. Just take your time and make sure that each hair strand on your eyelashes have been coated well. And as you get better, you might want to also learn how to apply mascara to your lower lash line as well. Blush adds some color to your face. If you're the kind of person whose face always gets washed out, I would recommend that you buy yourself one good blush. The final step is your lips. Don't forget your lips. As a new person to makeup, really nailing your lipstick will really do a lot. You don't need to learn the big eyeshadow looks or contouring and highlighting. However, if you have the right lip color, you are set. I hope you guys enjoyed this very simple makeup look. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed the tutorial. When you're starting out with makeup, I would really advise to start with this kind of look and you begin to build up your collection over time. Master how to draw your eyebrows, how to do your eyeliner before you start trying to get the contouring and the highlighting and all those real big eyeshadow looks. When you're carrying simple looks like this, your best bet is always going to be your lipstick. This is NARS lipstick. This is the first time I'm using it actually, so expect a review on these lipsticks soon. I bought 2 of these lipsticks. So guys, thank you so much for staying up until the end of this video. I really encourage you guys to please subscribe to my channel, and I have a channel blog as well, which will be linked down below. If you have time and you want to read some fun content that I'm writing, check that out as well. Alright beautiful people, have a wonderful day. Bye guys.